Good morning, friends. This is CA Shaurubh Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. As usual, last week I did not publish any video, although because of my time constant, I was busy in developing our research and development side, different kind of techniques and indicators. So we always keep on innovating things. I will show you the innovation. So on the Nifty part of it, let us see how the Nifty goes. This is a Nifty daily chart, and this basically chart, if you look at, let me shrink the chart, then you will be able to know what is our journey here. See, Nifty has basically, if you look at the chart from this particular line, from here, from here to here, it is basically a 45 degree angle growth. And whenever you see this kind of rally, it is basically a fortune moment for everybody. Now if you look at this particular trend, try to understand what I am saying, that the retracement, it is going up, a retracement, going up, a retracement. So if you look at this retracement level, it is very, very shallow retracement, excepting we have a retracement here, okay, because after this long rally, this is also a very small retracement. So that means the Nifty has rebounded from this particular fall. Now right at this moment, if you look at this fall, was nothing, and we welcome that fall because this is a healthy correction. So similarly, in this particular journey, Nifty has actually made shallow retracement and gone up. So that is all about history, right? So what next? What is up in the sleeve now? Now will this, the major question for in everybody's mind at this moment, then from here what is there in the card? Now it is, if you look at the Nifty as a technical analyst, you are seeing the size of the candles are becoming very, very narrow, which means Nifty has started showing exhaustion. Now this exhaustion, when the bubble will burst, nobody knows, but at the moment trend is our friend, so we will ride the trend, okay? So therefore I do not see any bearishness at this moment. Mind the word, I am not seeing any bearishness of the moment at the moment, but I also do not see a great bull movement right at this moment unless it is corrected. So therefore people might be confused with the statement, but that is the reality. It is not bearish. That does not mean that it is bullish, and that also does not mean that it is sideways. So this, if you look at the size of these small candles, every day, if you look at every day, there is a gap up opening, and this phenomenon is not very, very common, at least in the last 10 years. So everywhere, if you look at this particular rally, gap up, and then again it has retraced a bit. Now at the moment, for the coming week or near future, if I look at Nifty here, now basically Nifty has a PRD, that is positive reverse divergence. Nifty has a positive reverse divergence. Now what does that mean? If you do not know, you have to wait till I bring out a video. Positive reverse divergence is basically a phenomenon of bullishness. So I see that in this particular red zone, these are the two lines marks here, about 13,528 to 30,792. anything can happen. Nifty might reverse from here, but as per my expectation, understanding and technical analysis, my target for Nifty is 13,657. That is the green line that I have drawn. 13,657. It is not much because the positive reverse divergence effect. Otherwise, now this positive reverse divergence might fail also. So once this particular trend line, is broken, if this particular trend line is broken, then Nifty would come down here, this side, right? So therefore, if the positive reverse divergence works, then the target from current level, it is closing at 13,513. Now it's a merely 150 point maximum rally that we can see. And if tomorrow, that is on Monday, this particular trend line is broken, then Nifty has a PRD has failed, so Nifty has started a correction. Now whether it is a retracement or crash correction, we will not be able to tell at this moment, because Nifty has a great support at this level. Okay, so therefore at least this is the level I am expecting a retracement. So retracement can happen. So first of all, let the trend change, let the retracement change, then we will see step by step. That's all about Nifty. Now let us share few trades. This is our usual setup, our Stockster setup, and our Stockster setup, we do not include this particular ohm, right? This is our ohm. This we do not include. Okay, ohm is something which we sell separately. So let us see how this particular stock was traded. Now we are seeing, we are normally we trade in diamonds. So once on Thursday we had a diamond here at about 230, right? Yeah, 235. We took an entry at this level, this particular level, right? At about 268. I remember 268.5 or something, 269, 260. Okay, let's say 268.5 was our entry, because this was the green candle, and once the green candle, when green candle gets a confirmation, we have entered here and just carried the trade and moved out at this particular candle, this red candle, because once we allowed it to go up. Why? Because of our rising trend here, number one. So therefore we have, where you have entered at this particular level, so our entry was with the rising trend. Then at that particular time our ohm indicator has actually gone bullish. I will show you the ohm indicator. This is not part of our Stockster setup. This has to be bought separately. So this ohm has gone up. What is this particular setup? This particular setup actually gives you different multi-time frame RSI. Along with that, you can also set sector. Sector will be in black color. Since it is a banking stock, we have chosen bank Nifty here. You can choose anything. So therefore we have to choose the relevant sector. So okay, so now, and the sector, how the sector is performing when I am taking the trade, right? Red line is 5 minutes, green 15 minutes, and purple is 1 hour. Anyway, you can always change these time frames from the drop down menu. Okay, now at this particular juncture, when we entered the trade, when you have entered the trade at this level, right? This was the level. Okay, so at this particular level, if you look at this, this was rising, red line is rising, green line rising, purple line was flat. It's all right, but it was very strong. And the black line you are not able to see it right now, was also rising. That means my sector is also rising. So all these confirmations, and the great part of it is, this is a very, very important thing. This particular plus line, this is actually showing you the volatility squeeze breakout. These are all squeeze. So we have entered after the squeeze breakout, Bollinger Band squeeze volatility breakout. And if you see that Bollinger Band here, the price has moved out of the Bollinger Band. Okay, so this once the squeeze volatility has actually broken. So these are the points where you get multiple confirmation that the chart is actually shouting to tell you that buy me, and that is where we exactly bought here. And then we have allowed the stock to ride, next day gap up, and then next day around we moved out the trade at around 940. Why? Because we could have sold it here, but we did not know that the stock would reverse. So then we got a doji, and then we get a red candle, and the next candle we actually moved out. So therefore 274 rupees to 268 is actually 6 rupees. So how much we have made? This 3000 rupees lot, only one lot into 6 rupees is actually 18,000 rupees from State Bank. And then we left the trade. We have not traded anything. So this is the power of this particular setup. Just imagine if I switch off this, if I switch off this, you will not be able to really realize at what point of time we should enter. So if I switch on this setup, the setup actually says this is a diamond setup. So unless you know what is the diamond setup, you will not be able to really spot in the naked chart. You will not be able to see, because here we are also satisfied Nikala rule, our great Nikala rule, Nil, Kala and Lal, and we have bullish engulfing pattern. So all these patterns actually indicating you to buy, and this is the safest trade you can have. This is how our students do their trade every day. So this is State Bank, and then we also, it is assisted by of course this Ohm scanner and all those things I am going to tell you right now. So we have different kind of scanners that we have developed. This particular scanner is our normal is our Bohm scanner. This is you have different types of scanner. So what are those types and what are the normal indicators? These are the normal indicators, and in this particular scanner we scan the at the very moment what stock are actually satisfying diamond and all those. This particular trend scanner, this is a Bohm trend scanner. This is a Bohm trend scanner. This Bohm actually, you have a multi time frame. You can always set this time frame, scanner in different time frame. So you can set it for 5 minutes. You can set it for 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So whatever you want to see, depending on your appetite of trading, whether you need quick movement or a medium term movement or swing trade. So depending on that, you can set your scanner and scan your stocks. So these are Bohm scanner. Why it is Bohm? This is signifying a trend change scanner. So and that particular moment trend has changed. That's the reason this scan is giving. So in this particular scan, you have these Bohm scanners, and then we have a lightning scanner. The specialty of the scanner is thunderstorm. Whenever there is a thunderstorm, there is a big movement. So therefore, see, supposing for example in the lightning thunderstorm is actually giving, this is where you actually make lot of money. I will show you the example. Let's say for Biocon or Indigo has come where? In the lightning scanner. Okay, and also let us move to Indigo. Now this is the setup. Let me hide this particular setup. I will tell you, I will explain you the entire thing. Now the trend scanner, the job of the trend scanner is twofold. One is that this scanner actually gives you a trend change signal. So if I know there is a trend change signal, then whenever there is a movement, I will get into the trade. Okay, for example, in the if I go to Biocon here, let us go to the Biocon stock here. Okay, then you will realize the power of this scanner. Okay, now let's see this scanner. this scanner is 15-minute scan, right? Okay, fine. Now this Biocon scanner, okay, okay, now let me now switch on our setup. Once you have a setup, are you seeing one thing very interesting? Okay, now if you look at this, these are all Ichimoku clouds. Now these clouds, let us not get into the jargon. When there is the line which becomes like a rope, rassi jaise ho gaya hai, whenever there is a rassi kind of rope, it is telling you in advance that the stock is going to have a thunderstorm movement, so huge movement. So whenever you buy an option, then you make a lot of money here. See, if you look at this very small line, two lines are all merged, therefore buyer and seller is actually fighting a lot. And after, whenever you get this kind of scan, you actually make a lot of quick money through options. So therefore it is very, in a normal case you will not be able to know what will happen, and this is a forecaster. So therefore in the next few time frame, how the stock will move, if I know, then I will actually trade in that direction. So this is where these future prediction, whenever I am at a 15-minute candle here or 5-minute candle here, so I exactly know in the future next few candles you will have a big move. So therefore, big move in which direction? Again, the direction would be as per our setup. So once you are assisted with this kind of scanning and this kind of techniques, money making is very easy. So therefore, if you look at another stock, let's see Indigo here. Okay, or let me take a common stock where okay, Indigo. Okay, let's say Indigo. Indigo. If you look at Indigo, you have the same scan. So therefore, in Indigo, if you see at 3 o'clock, it's a 5-minute scan, you have a change in trend, right? From previously the trend was here bearish. So after the trend has become bearish, it has a downward trend. So I have a confirmation of a bullish trend change with a backup thunderstorm. So you cannot really miss this trade, and therefore you will get a huge movement. So this particular setup, stock show version setup, version 7 setup, along with the Zoom trend setup, we have not yet sold to anybody because we are only selling it to big financial institutions. So this, but we are selling only the scanning part of it. So therefore you exactly know where which stock is going to really make a movement. We are not selling the setup at this moment. Once we so decide, we will do it. So this is the computer assisted, so much technical things that is involved here, that money making becomes very safe and easy. Now let me move on to our courses. So in course of time, if you are part of our family, you will get all these things. This is our basic course, as you know that in any of our course you do not need any knowledge. This is the basic course, SS1. This course is 30,000 rupees, and we will train this mindset training, key candlestick pattern. You will get these two softwares. As I said, these two software you will get. This Stoxo setup and this OM setup you will not get. OM you will get separately. So you will get this particular golden road and this particular setup. This is also a very equally grand setup. So therefore, see, on the lightning and trend scanner, if you have this, then once you move, you know that the stock would have a big movement. So you will take the option trading part of it. Now on the option mastery course, we don't basically teach your Greek, alpha, theta, gamma, which people will not understand, and I know it will make your life very very complex. We only trade with very small small and simple setup, and with a very small capital these days, due to SEBI margin, your capital requirement has gone up. So a lot of people are now subscribing to our option mastery course, which is only a 4-day course, and it will cost you 55,000. And in the option mastery, if you know, then you will get this kind of very strong kind of setup. So in the option mastery, course, we will teach you only how to deal with options and how to trade with very less capital, and without, believe it, without Greek, implied volatility, open interest, you can make money. If you have this setup, you can make money. So our master course is Fibonacci course price actions, where this is the ultimate course that one can have. The cost is 1,50,000, but if you know the Fibonacci, because the entire globe is running on Fibonacci, and we teach very simple things on Fibonacci. We'll also teach you 8 to 9 patterns and Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands actually indicates volatility. So when the market is volatile, as this entire year we traded based on Bollinger Bands because of the volatility. And if you know this technical tricks of Bollinger Band, two three things, then that will actually be a killer trade. We also have SS4 price action, volume, candlesticks pattern, Bollinger Band, and gap trading. So whenever there is a gap up and gap down trading, how will you really trade? How will you know that this particular gap trading will be very very promising? So all those things you will be able to run in our SS4 course. And our priced course is bull trap and bear trap. See, how will you, when you are actually into trading, see, for example, this is the trading. How will you know that from this particular level, when you are here or you are here, at this particular level stock will reverse? How will you know? So basically, when we are actually dealing with options and dealing with these things, your lightning scanner and all those, so how will you actually know that from this particular level why the stock is reversing? Why is the stock reversing from this particular level? These are all bull trap, these are all bull trap or bear trap lines. These are all bull trap lines. So these are all exact measurement. Whenever you are here, you exactly know the stock will move up to this level. So therefore, at this particular level, you have, even if you have the signal, positive signal here, the stock will reverse from here. So all these things, the technical things, are high price technical things, and once you learn this particular mathematical thing, this is your lifetime achievement, and this is where your money will lie. So therefore, when I am actually starting a trading at this particular level, if I am shorting here, how will I know the stock will reverse from here? At least I know if this particular zone reaches, I should get out of my trade. So therefore, I will actually can take a ride. And with the option trading, it is actually making your life killing. So therefore, this is how we actually make money. Now these days, I do not I invest more in options than in futures and cash, because option is now has become very very profitable with this kind of setups. And now coming to the indicator part of it, our ohm indicator, I am referring to this. This is for our student, we are selling at 10,000 rupees. For outsiders, it is selling only for 20,000 rupees. So our students, we are having 50% discount. For diamond scanner also, as usual, it is 10,000 and 20,000. But this particular explosive scanner, for outsider it is 30,000, and for our students it is 20,000. So this explosive scanner, which one? This one, this particular lightning scanner. This is 30,000 rupees, and trend scanner is also 30,000 rupees and 20,000 rupees. So we are actually combining trend scanner and explosive trend scanner and explosive scan lightning scanner. These two are available at 20,000, and the price would go up because with the option mastery course has gained momentum, so a lot of people are taking admissions in option mastery course, and they are also taking this lightning lightning scanner and trend scanner. So the prices would go up maybe within the next 2-3 months. We have not yet decided. So people are benefiting, so the more people are benefiting, the more people are interested. So with this this is CS Sharup Ghosh signing off from Stock Show Deck. Bye bye.